Yo, the Cosmic here, coming at you with my watch list video for 6/2-2020. Before I dive straight in, first I want y'all to check out the description below. Click those links, get on it. Second, please drop a like and subscribe on this video. Comment if you like it or want any other type of content. It really is helping me out so much. I'm seeing so much growth in my channel over the past few days, and I'm loving that y'all are actually supporting me and actually looking at what I'm saying. That being said, I will be starting to run contests for this amazing platform. We are working on our affiliate link, but the contest will be rolling out to where I am going to be giving away a month free for Benzinga Pro. And if you don't make these monthly subscription off of Benzinga Pro within that month, I don't know what to tell you. You're doing something wrong. But I've already made money off of Benzinga Pro. I've already paid for my prescription based off my profits. This thing is freaking phenomenal. So I will be running a contest. The criteria will be you have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel. You have to have a like on the contest video whenever I actually post it. You're going to have to be following me on Twitter right here. And then you'll have to check out the description below and join any other socials that I may have. So that's my Facebook page or my Twitter page. I don't really use Facebook that much, but if you want to get me on Facebook, I'll post that later on in the future. Just shoot me a message or something like that. But getting straight into my watch list. Right now, I am going to be watching MARA, UAVS, WRTC, MARK, DVAX, and CETX. And now let me go ahead and give you the reasons. These three, WRTC, DVAX, CETX, are police sympathy plays. CETX, I think, has a good chance of running again tomorrow. It is a very good first substantial green day, and it actually held its gain. So I'll be looking to be playing that tomorrow. DVAX is another. I'm so sorry. This is not a police sympathy play. That one will be. Give me 1 second. That one is actually DLGY. DGLY. I can't type. GLY. All right. So these were the big police sympathy plays: WRTC, DGLY, and CETX. CETX and DGLY actually ended up closing right on the day. I can see CETX running again tomorrow, but this is actually DVAX. So CETX, I can see running again tomorrow because it is his first substantial green day. And then DLGY, don't really have faith in it. Like, that chart is ugly. This is the classic gap and crap right here. I mean, pre-market. I mean, look at it. It's 4 a.m. Pre 4 a.m. It spiked all the way up to the 5s and it just faded off. This is also a reason why I'm actually going to open up a Trade Zero account so I can get into 4 a.m. trading. Because if you can get that first minute on anything that's starting to gap up, look, you could have had almost a, like, if you even didn't get into that first minute, say you got in at 410, you got in at 280ish, 290, and sold the next minute, the next 10 minutes, it holds for 10 minutes, you could have made almost double your money right there. So I'm going to be looking into Trade Zero so I can get some 4 a.m. trading. I don't really mind waking up early to catch some of these plays and then going right back to sleep. CETX, it also performed. This one is the best performer of all of them, in my opinion, because it's held so much of its gains. Nice gap up, nice first green day. WRTC, this is actually a potential short for me. It's second green day, substantial green day, but it's actually going on like 2 or 3 green days right now. And this is what got me. So hope you can see this. We are offering units in a public offering, $6 per share. What? Classic pump and dump. Classic pump and dump. They were on the news. They popped it off, and the delivery of the common shares are going to come out tomorrow. So anybody that's overnight here, I'm so sorry. Try to get out as fast as you can. I'm going to be looking as this to be one of my first real short. Yeah, my first real short going into tomorrow. That's just depending on if I have the liquidity. I think I might have a day trade coming live tomorrow, but if I don't, then I'm not going to worry about it. My next so let's go to Mara. Let's look at why I'm looking at Mara. Mara is a BTC play. They are actually a crypto mining operation. And after hours, they spiked from the 75 cents all the way up to almost $1. 25-cent spike just because you go to the BTC USD market and you actually look at the BTC Bitcoin market, it broke 10K. This is a major level that it broke right here. And it did that huge spike right there beforehand. So you see that's how come Mara is running in sympathy with it. And I see Bitcoin holding on to these gains, honestly, because it was such a big level that it was trying to break through. Like last time it hit this point, it tested it it just tested it. And this was the last time Mara ran as well. Mara runs with Bitcoin. So since it's over 10K, I can see it continue running tomorrow based off sympathy on Bitcoin. Next, UAVS. UAVS had a nice substantial green day off of volume. Volume alone. There has been no news like that I've really noticed. Like, look, this is just saying, hey, it's moving, but there's like no real news. I mean, they did post great earnings not too long ago, which is that's honestly what I'm thinking that's happening here. They did post this 14A SEC filing on Saturday. So I think that this is going to move tomorrow. So I went ahead and I locked in a solid we'll see here. I locked in a solid 200 shares. This is actually my my margin account, so I might not end up shorting WRTC because Mark is more of a swing for me right now. But UAVS, I believe it's going to keep going. It says that I'm down $12, but if you go to the chart and you go to today, okay. Well, it had a late print earlier today, just kind of like one of these misprint. It had a late print earlier today. You see that it says the last trade is 144, but it's sitting at, what is that, 152. So that was just a late print showing that it's down for the day. Mark, I am down on the day. Like I said, this is a swing trade. At this point, it's not a day trade. That's how come it's in my margin account. And then Mara, I got in my cash account just so I took 500 shares on that because I do believe that this is going to do a nice run up tomorrow. I'm honestly looking to, if Mara can continue to run, I'm looking to sell around the 105, maybe 110 range because that's what happened the last time it ran with Bitcoin. And you also see it's its first substantial green day. It only shows it right here. The green candle kind of small, just because that's what it closed at. But this little extension right here, that's where it's actually closed at. That's where the high of the day is, and you see right here it did shit at all today, and then boom, jumped up with Bitcoin. So going back to Benzinga, I kind of just I've gone ahead and covered all these. Mark, it's pump and dump is not over. They actually finally, I'm kind of pissed this morning because I sold my mark position. My average was at like a 2.42, and they release a PR. The PR that I have been wanting for the past 2 weeks for Mark to put out. And the only reason that I can think of that it did not continue running is, one, it is a China play, and the U.S.-China relations are shit right now. And two, you have so many bag holders. Just going back to the 7-day, you have so many bag holders that are looking to try to get out because they either got in as it was spiking right here and didn't, get out in time, or they chased the spike like I did and lose. I lost all the gains I made on Mark on these past 3 days off this one crap right here. So I think a lot of bag holders are really holding this stock down. I don't think the pump and dump is over. Man, go to the 3-year chart. Look, off volume, massive volume compared to the last time. It just ran, and it ran for, it started its run in September. This was a 2-month pump, a 3-month pump and dump. It started to, it really dumped right here in January. So I don't think that this run is over. I've been saying this for a long time. The Remark Holdings is great into switching up their business model for the hottest sector. So I don't think the pump and dump is over. If we get some more volume, especially since it had some news today, let the news circulate around, I can see this running throughout the rest of the week. But that's pretty much it, fam. Overall, I did negative $68 today, just from classic overtrading and not executing my plans properly. I was up this morning $60 today based off my WRTC play. I mean, I was in overnight on the weekend, and it gapped up just like I wanted it to. But I also want to say, be aware. They have a public offering dropping tomorrow at $6 a share. This would be an ideal short for me. I can see it going all the way back down to $5. If I get a day trade available, or I dump UAVS, I'm probably going to short this overnight for the next day, just so I can, lock it. I mean, I don't want to get greedy, but I want to test my theory on, after 2 substantial green days with an offering coming out on the second day, how is the third day going to perform? So my thesis is that it is going to crap. It is, they're going to drop. They dropped an offering. The proof is, I already showed y'all the proof. The proof is there. So they dropped an offering, $6 a share. I think this is going to go back down to the either the mid 6s or to the low 5s. If it starts to drop down, I don't think I'll see a bounce. I mean, I don't even think I'll, since this 640 support level right here, or 604 support level held so much, I don't think it has no real resistance or support until it comes down here to the 560s. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. I'll keep y'all updated. More videos are going to be coming out daily. I'll try to be doing 2 a day. One for my trade recap, one for my watch list, and then if I have any other news about Benzinga, if I switch anything up, if I find something that's really cool, I'll be letting y'all know. But other than that, fam, y'all stay safe.